Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to my friends, my familiar, my well-wisher, my valuable fish farmers and my stakeholders of Fisheries Department. This is Saifi Nasir from Bangladesh now. Today I discuss about the FCR issue for the culture fund, and it is the valuable and important issue and process and method for the aquaculture and nutrition also. I mentioned about the nutritions that FCR and nutrition aquaculture are three things are so much relationship because nutrition fact is responsibility to FCR and FCR and nutrition is responsibility for aquaculture. For these reasons, the nutritions, the aquaculture and fish cultures, if anything, any items are disordered, so the whole process, the whole activities are destroyed, and you lost and you lost your profit and project. So FCR, it is varies from species to species, like this catfish, tilapia, pangas, carfish, whitefish, etc. And also the koi fish. Many farmers are think about that more feeding, more FCR, more profit. It is bad habit. It is bad idea. It is bad ideology, because every animals and every aquatic animals and others animals are need to feed or feeding for their body weight. Because if any persons or any aquatic or any animals are more intaking, there are more metabolic activities and they are more energy losing, so at this time they are not efficient for the feed and feeding rations and also the nutritions. It is important that every persons, every farmers, every fish farmers, every stakeholders should be maintained and could be maintained the feeding rations on the basis of species, on the basis of nutritions, because the protein percentage, the fat percentage and others proximity analysis are input in feed. But we are not concerned about the how many times, how many percentage are feeding digestions, feeding metabolic activities, feeding reprocessing. We don't know that about, because we are taking more, we are taking growth. It is totally bad habit. So we should have the FCR counting every 14 or 20 days later, and we checking about the body health, fish health and the FCR counting, because FCR is means how many feed are intaking, how gain the body weight, how many times. These issue are mainly FCR. Feed conversion ratio means FCR. So everybody are concerned about that, and also the nutritions and high protein, high digestion times, high reprocessing time are need. So we should taking the body weight, and every farmers should be maintain the percentage of the body weight of the feeding rations. So you are knocking or you are concerned about the fisheries expert, nutritionist and aquaculturist, and many farmers are know about the best concept for the feeding rations, so you can share with them. And others issue is a nutrition fact. Nutrition fact is a catfish is a nutrition one kind of nutrition, tilapia is another kind, pangas and carfish. So if you maintain the nutrition fact, so you should be species to species check out. So if you tilapia fish culture but you taking the pangas, it's not a good FCR, you don't gain. So you catfish is a culture but you go to the carfish feed, so it is not a good. So another issue is one times is a catfish, they are culture tilapia but they are used in catfish fish feed. It is totally wrong, because it is a process or make it or formulated it for catfish or tilapia fish or pangas fish or others white fish. So today I discuss about that, and thank you to hearing me, and we should check about our maintain the nutritional fact and FCR and the aquaculture. So at these times we are ready to the culture pond and we are taking the heavy feeding. So must be check out the body weight and check out the FCR and check out the aquaculture process and check out the nutritional fat or nutritional value. So thank you to hearing me, and take care of your project, take care of yourself.